How to remove Instagram account from Facebook Meta Business Suite. First thing you have to do is open up your web browser and go to facebook.com, or you could just go to or search for Meta Business Suite. Hit enter, click on the first link that you see. It was formerly known as Facebook for Business or Facebook Business Manager. Now select your store or whatever you want to manage over here on your Meta Business Suite. And then you basically have to go to the settings option. Click on settings, and then you'll have an option to manage all of your assets and accounts. So here under the account section, you have pages, ad accounts, business asset groups, apps, and then you have Instagram accounts. So if you have added any Instagram account, it will be shown right over here. Now all you have to do is, in order to remove it, double click on it, and then you'll see the ID as well as who the owner is. And then from there, you can just go ahead and click on this option called remove. Tap on it, and then tap on remove again, and you should be able to remove your Instagram from Meta Business Suite. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.